Hi there, this is a video tutorial on how to use my to-do list. This is a super simple sheet to use and it is totally customizable and printable. Okay, at the top we have our items in pie charts. So we have a high priority, medium priority, and low priority. This will change as you complete tasks. And see, you can see the percentage of items complete as well as the number of complete. So as you check off more items, that number complete will get higher. This is the heading for high priority. So say you wanted to change the name of your category, you could totally do that, and you can just say important to-do list. And all I did there was I just double clicked in the heading and then I just highlighted everything, and then you could just write whatever you'd like to be there. All right, next, so if we start over, everything will be blank and it'll be all white. Okay, so as soon as you take out something from there and uncheck it, everything will be white and you can start over. So say a high priority task, we need to call the pediatrician. And we have to do that today. And say we need to pick a kit for party. We got to do that. Double clicking in here, and then you can choose the date. And if you don't want to double click, you're welcome to just click inside the box and then start typing. And then once it's complete, it will check it off and it will change your pie chart and check off the number complete. Same thing that works for the medium priority and low priority list. I will show you how to change the colors. So what you do is, say we want to change all of these headings to a different color, we're going to go to fill color. And as we want to say that it's going to be yellow now everything's going to be yellow. You can click in here, double click in the pie chart, and you can choose the color yellow if you wanted to change it. Okay, and then to print out your item, so we're just going to go to File, Print, and then you could do Print Current Sheet, and you can do Portrait, or you could do Landscape. And then I would always do, if you wanted to do normal, this is how it is going to show up. But fit to width is going to look this way. Fit to page is going to be the same. So when you print it, you want to print current sheet. You want to do the landscape, and the scale would be fit to page, and then you could print it out. What I would also suggest is, before you print everything out, if you wanted it to be blank, delete everything or just uncheck all your boxes, and that way everything will be nice and clean before you print it out, and then it'll look pretty. So if we go to print again, everything's going to look a lot more clean. Okay, so that's how it works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you want to purchase this spreadsheet, click on the link in the description below. Thank you.